How to create MNT bank account online. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an MNT bank account online. So let's get started. Open your browser and type in mtb.com to visit the MNT bank homepage. On the homepage, click on the Open an Account button and select whether you want to open a checking, savings or other types of accounts. Fill in your full name, address, phone number and social security number. You'll also need to provide your email and date of birth. Create a username and a password for your online banking access. You'll be asked to fund your new account by linking an existing bank account or using a debit card. Review and accept the terms and conditions of MNT Bank and you'll have to check the box to confirm your agreement to the terms and conditions. Once everything is filled in, click Submit to finalize the process. And you'll get a confirmation email once your application is successful and your MNT Bank account will be set up then. That's it, you've successfully opened your MNT Bank account online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.